Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make sea moss tea. First, take about 1 ounce of dried sea moss and rinse it very well under cool, running water to remove any debris. Next, place the clean sea moss into a bowl and cover it with about 3 cups of filtered water. Let it soak for 4 to 6 hours, or until it becomes noticeably softer and expands in size. This crucial step ensures your sea moss is ready for the next stage of tea preparation. Once your sea moss is perfectly softened, drain off the soaking water completely. Transfer the rehydrated sea moss to a blender. Add 2 cups of fresh, filtered water to the blender with the sea moss. Blend on high until you achieve a completely smooth, gel-like consistency. After blending, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve or nut milk bag to ensure a silky smooth tea base, free of any small particles. Now it's time to brew your tea. Take the strained sea moss gel and combine it with about 4 cups of hot, but not boiling, water in a pot or heat-safe pitcher. Add your favorite tea bags or loose-leaf tea directly to this mixture. Allow the tea to steep for 5 to 7 minutes, depending on your desired strength. Once steeped, remove the tea bags or strain out the loose-leaf tea. To enhance the flavor of your sea moss tea, you can add natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup to taste. A squeeze of fresh lemon juice or a few slices of ginger can also provide a delightful zest and additional benefits. Serve your sea moss tea warm or chill it for a refreshing cold beverage. It's a simple and nourishing drink to incorporate into your routine. Remember to check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.